Brief overview of the Tai Ji Men case. Shortly after Taiwan's first presidential election in 1996, the government initiated a crackdown on religious groups with the intention to penalize those supporting dissenting opinions within religious communities. In the midst of this turmoil, Tai Ji Men, a neutral and apolitical group, became embroiled in the situation. At that time, the prosecutors in Kaohsiung and Hsinchu received false accusations, yet upon investigation, no illegal activities were found, leading to the cases being closed. However, prosecutor Ho Kwon-jen deployed a large number of law enforcement officers against due process, raided Tai Ji Men with the media, and froze the accounts of its leader. Despite the account only holding over 610,000 new Taiwan dollars, reports claimed Tai Ji Men had committed fraud, amounting to 3.1 billion new Taiwan dollars, alleging tax evasion. Prosecutor Ho Kwon-jen detained the Tai Ji Men Zhongmenren and his wife for nearly 4 months, without finding any unlawful behavior. He coerced tax official Shi Yusheng to give false testimony, incorporating the fabricated statements into the indictment against Tai Ji Men in 1997. However, the prosecutor's charges contained logical inconsistencies, accusing both embezzlement and tax evasion for the same amount concurrently in the indictment. The monetary gifts that the dizi give to their shifu, following the tradition to show respect to their shifu, were considered tax-exempt income under Income Tax Act and did not require taxation. However, the National Taxation Bureau penalized Tai Ji Men for 6 years under the guise of a cram school. Nevertheless, the Ministry of Education explicitly stated that Tai Ji Men was not a cram school. Moreover, according to regulations by the Ministry of Finance, Qigong did not fall under the scope of business tax, and government agencies strictly prohibited Qigong groups from establishing cram schools, thus making it impossible for Tai Ji Men to be categorized as such.
We still want to emphasize that Tai Ji Men is absolutely not a cram school. Tai Ji Men has made contributions in national sports, family cohesion, and education, and we affirm that.
The former Central Area National Taxation Bureau Director Yang Chunghua and Taipei National Taxation Bureau Director Chong Xingford were present at a public hearing and explicitly knew that Tai Ji Men was not a cram school. Despite this, they unlawfully issued tax bills under the guise of a cram school. In 2007, after 3 trials at the Supreme Court, Tai Ji Men was confirmed innocent of fraud and tax evasion. The Tai Ji Men shifu and dizi received state compensation for wrongful imprisonment. Despite winning several administrative trials regarding the tax case, out of the 6 tax bills based on the same facts, 5 were resolved lawfully. However, the National Taxation Bureau persisted in enforcing the erroneous tax bill for the year 1992, refusing to revoke it, even going so far as to auction off Tai Ji Men's planned site for self-cultivation illegally, reclaiming it as government property, and distributing performance bonuses in 2020. This case drew international attention, with international organizations repeatedly reporting to the United Nations, condemning Taiwan's government for its unfair treatment of Tai Ji Men. Over the years, the government's unjust actions and defamation against Tai Ji Men have subjected many Taiwanese people to physical and mental persecution. The international community continues to monitor this case. Freedom and human rights are core values of democratic nations. The government should promptly resolve the Tai Ji Men human rights persecution case to further Taiwan's progress as a more prosperous and advanced model of Asian democracy.